Okay. So this plan, this is a small building plan or small house unit plan. So this is called a single line diagram. See, you can see the lines. No, it has got no thickness. So that's why we call it a single line diagram. This is the actually the question. There is a question paper problem only, the examination problem only. So you will be given a question like this, wherein all rooms, see here you can see the living room, veranda, bedroom, kitchen, dining, bathroom, everything is given here and the dimensions are given. You need to draw the plan for this. That means wherever you are seeing a line, that will become line of thickness. That means double line will come. So for example, see these outer lines. No, you can see I am moving my cursor. Outer lines are single line, means that wall thickness we have to provide. Wherever that lines are there, so we have to provide wall thickness. See here WC and bathroom, in between we will have a partition wall. That means 10 centimeter wall. Main wall may be to 230 or 300 mm. Partition wall will be off of that. Now just see here, 3 meter by 3 meter. That means horizontally 3 meter and vertically 3 meter. So here you can see the water closet 2 into 1.2 and 2 into 1.7. That means you see this line here, it's all in same line. So the 10 centimeter will be partition wall thickness. Like that we have to calculate, that we'll discuss in the class. Now, how to draw this? There are many methods to draw this. Okay. So what you have learned earlier is to take a line. We'll just draw this. Say take a line. First we'll draw a line. F8 ortho on. So one line, just one line like this without any dimension. Now, on the other side also we'll draw one line. Take the line from here, draw one line. Okay. And listen here, 2 meter here, 2 meter by 1.2 meters. Okay, that means from here to here it is 1.2 meters. So what you will do here, from here you will come 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter, then okay, it's in mm, so you have to write 1200, enter. Take the line from here, 1200, enter. See, it's coming here. Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll make the picture big so that so let us start from the beginning. Okay. So now the picture is quite big. So first method, what we'll do, you put two lines. Okay. Two lines. Now first dimension. You can start from whichever side you want. Find timing, I'll start from the other side so that it will be easy for you. Let it be this. From this corner, kitchen, the dimension is 3 meter by 3 meter. Okay. So that means what you can do, you have to, from here, you have to come 3 meter. That means 3000. Okay. 3000. It is coming somewhere here, 3000. Then this way 3000, 3000. See, now it will be easy for you. See, now first rectangle you have drawn here, 3 meter by 3 meters. Okay, using line you have drawn this. Then what you have to do here, this line here shown, no? So you have to give the thickness for this. What you will do? O offset 300 is the thickness, wall thickness. From here you will put 300, and from here you will put 300. That is this wall. Okay. Now from here bottom, see, living room 5 meter by 4.65. That means 4,650 this side. Then this side it is 5,000. Okay. Then you will go up. Will come, show the reference. Click there. See, now that is the living room. Now you can find the living room here. Okay. So up to this it's fine. Living room. Here, this for living room wall, I will give the offset wall thickness 300, and we'll draw the bedroom. Bedroom is 3,500 by 3,000. So from here, 3,500, enter, and here 3,000, enter. Okay, fine. See, now bedroom is finished. Now I will give offset O, enter, 300, enter, here, this side. Okay, and let me join these two. Join, because it's a wall, no? Now same line, you can see the line here. And here also, O, enter, 300. I'm giving the wall thickness here. That will veranda position. Okay. See, now to here we have 2 meter by 1.7. Okay. So that is 1.7 here, 1,700, and will come here, and it is 2,000. That means wherever that single line is there, you are giving the thickness. Okay. Now this is single line only. I will give thickness. O, enter. Here I will give 300, wall thickness 300. Okay. This is partition wall. This I will give 100 only. Okay. Partition wall we have calculated, it's 100. Now next is bathroom. No, that is 1.2 meter, 1,200, and 2 meter, 2,000. Okay. So now when you give thickness, O, enter, 300 inner thickness, wall thickness. Now join command. You can, if you want to join these two lines, give join command. One click here, and right click. It's join. Now you complete this line. Finish. See, now the inner walls are done. Now outer walls, what you have to give? We have to give offset. O, enter, 300, enter, 3, enter. Okay. For every outside, everywhere you have to give. No. Offset. This is outer wall. Okay. So now I want to join the outer walls. I will use fillet, F, enter. One fillet to one fillet here. 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 Okay. So TR double space, I'll trim this. So now this is our building unit. Okay. See, veranda, we have to draw veranda, that is remaining. Now entire thing, bedroom dimension, as per that we have drawn everything. As we know, wherever the wall is there, outside you will be, plinth will be visible. Plinth will be 100 mm from the outside wall. Okay. And see here, veranda, it's given like this, veranda it's given like this, but below that also there will be foundation will be there for this portion. There is no wall above the floor level, so it will be only open, so there is no double thickness. Now you will give the outer plinth line, O enter 300 and 100 enter, give the offset 1 offset on all sides. Now fillet it, F enter, F enter, click on this, click here, click here, click here. Fine. See? Okay, fine. So this is veranda only. Okay, veranda. There is no wall for veranda. Maybe grills will be there. Whatever is there, later we will decide. Now this is the basic drawing. Then what we have to do? We need to give openings for doors and all that we will do later. Otherwise, it's just take a rectangle, take a square. Say rectangle, D enter 1000 by 1000. Give 1000 enter 1000. Enter. Okay, you have the rectangle here. Take this rectangle here and wherever door is there, keep this. Just go here, here one door, here one door. Just keep this. I'll tell what to do. Okay, so that is not placed properly. I'll place it later. This also why it is happening, because that snap is on now. So I'll show once again. You have to copy this. Okay, see, snap is on. So what you have to do, select this, and you want to keep this now, press F3 off. That is, now F3 is off. Okay, so you can keep wherever you want. It's not snapping. Fine, fine, just keep. I'll tell what to do. Here, bathroom also one cutting is there. I'll just cut. Okay, here opening, all the doors are opened now. Okay, now you take TR double space and trim. So what the rectangular square you have taken is 1 meter by 1 meter. Okay, so that means all the openings are 1 meter by 1 meter now, 1 meter width only. If you want, you can, by using stretch, you can reduce the width. That I will show how to do it. Now this is easy. One go you can trim all. Okay. Okay. Fine. This extra piece, we'll take it. Now take the dimension. Now make the snap on F3 on, give dimension here. See, nothing is visible now. So dim style for now, this is building plan. Always the printout will be in 100. So our A4 size, we have to see the text in 2.5. So text height should be 2.5 into 100. So dim style, D enter, create one, new one, give building. Okay, continue. Text, give 250. Okay, symbol arrows, just give 200. Even you can give 250 also. Primary units, no decimals there. Okay, lines, offset from origin. Remember, I have told you, no, always give 50 or 75. I have given 75. Set current, close. Okay, now I'll take the dimension. This is already dimension is done now. What I will do, I will put that into building. Now it is visible. See, 1000 is visible. The dimension is little bigger only. We can reduce it. Why this is done? See, inner, this is 1000. Outside wall is 1000. You can keep always. Inner you should keep less than that. What you have to do, once you do that, go to stretch, then click this and move towards this by 100. So it becomes 900. Now it's fine. Now Now you know everywhere it is 1 meter. So this is this side I will reduce by 250. So bathroom will be 750. Same way, stretch 250. Okay, stretch done. So this is 1 meter. Another 10 centimeter I have to reduce. Okay, here I will stretch this, and that means 100 I'll reduce. Okay, 900. Now it's all perfect. See. Now what you have to do? You have to provide the windows. Though windows are not shown in the drawing, we have to provide windows. How to provide windows? Create a rectangle. Okay. So window width. Now this is 10 feet. More than 10 feet room means window should be 5 feet. So I will create a window that is 1500. Enter. Take a rectangle. D enter. 1500 enter. And 300 enter. Wall thickness 300. So the notation, what you do? You put another 2 lines. So now this will be seen as window notation. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. So remember, now this is window. You are going to keep this copy and keep wherever you want the windows. First, don't forget this. Always this will be useful. Now make this as a group or block. Okay. So here one create is there. Go to create. Okay. Give the name as window. Okay. And select the object. Object is selected, then enter means right click. Okay, give okay. See now, one click, everything is selected. Okay, one click, everything is selected. Okay, so what again, what you have to do? Double click on this, go to block editor, give okay, click parameters. Okay, click parameters. What I want is I want to put a alignment here. Okay, I'll put a alignment. I'll keep the F3 off. I have clicked here and shown this direction. So now the alignment has come. Close the block editor, save the changes. Now you see when you click this, that alignment button is there. What you have to do, keep many copies of this. Okay, many copies. So one by one you keep. So see now click on this and you just move it. Okay. Take this. See, wherever go, it will auto snap. Okay. See, now I am keeping it near this. So see, now it is exact position I have kept. Okay. So one more you take it. Take the position. See, now if I want to put it on this wall, see, I'll just take near that, that will snap on its own. Zoom it a little bit, then it will be easy for you. See, click on there. So these two rooms, again, one more I'll take per year. Fine. Okay. So here you require bathroom ventilators. Timing, keep this. Later I will tell you how to change the dimensions. Okay. So now just we'll move this. Click on the grip. Hold the shift button. Just. Okay. Kept that. Copy this. Copy this alone. And copy this outside. Okay, click on this, grip is there, bring to this wall, we will place this here, bathroom. Okay, done. And here you require one more, in the dining one more you require. So again, copy, keep here. Here you require one more, kitchen, done. Okay. And kitchen, another window you require, kept it outside, take the grip, hold the shift button, so it aligned. See now you have enough number of windows. Okay, up to this is easy, no problem. Okay, wherever the single line is there, you have to put double line, and you have to decide which one is main wall, which one is partition wall. That when you keep doing the drawing, now you will understand what it is. Now this is a basic way. So these are walls. Okay, so if I press H, hatching, no, this should be hatched. Okay. Okay, so now see what you have to do. Hatch edit, scale you have to change. Hatch edit, select the hatch object. So preview is there. Okay, we'll increase the scale to 15 and see the preview. Still, and the hatch also not proper. Okay, you should take the hatch. Take proper hatch from this hatch. Okay, here's the scale. I'll change to 15. $25. Okay, already. Okay, now that is fine. This hatch is okay. So hatch, enter, take that and put everywhere. Okay, so this is the method of doing the building drawing. Okay, dimension, everything you can, once you do it, we can discuss there itself. Okay, so like this 2 dimension we have to show, one there, one here, and another dimension continuous. Let us click and show here. Okay, so then what no text, how to do the text here, multi-line text, click here, give the height, give around 200 height. Okay, so it will be blinking. Living room, we have to write it as living room. Okay, and the dimension, what it's given in meters, we have to write in meters only. Drawing is in millimeter, but the text will be as given in the problem. Okay, click. See now, this multi-line, you can adjust this. Once it is done, you can copy everywhere. Copy here, copy here, copy here, copy here, copy here. Okay, here. Then double click on this. Select everything. Edit. Type on this. Veranda, VRANDAH. Veranda, 1.50 meter wide. Finished. Here, bedroom, 3.5 into 3 meter. Okay, fine. Here, bath. Only thing, click and edit. Bath 2 meter by 1.7 meter. Okay. So here again, delete this. I'll copy this itself. So then I need not type again. Okay. Here only one correction, 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. So living room here. This is dining room. So dining room dimension is not given. You don't worry. Whatever it is there, it will be there. Here is kitchen. Kitchen. Okay. 3 meter by 3 meter. Fine. Okay. Now this is perfect. So copy this. Copy this. Plan. Okay. So now this is the basic drawing here. Now how to enter into this house? This is the veranda. Okay. This is veranda. Here door is given. That means here veranda, and this is the front door. This is front door. How to enter into the house? How many steps should be given? That and all you have to decide. You can make, this is veranda, is open veranda. You can make it steps here or steps here. So I will give the steps here only. See what I will do. I'll go enter 300, enter. I'll give 3 steps, 3 rises, 1 2 3 rises. Okay, 1 2 3 rises. Now 3 rises is over. Now I have the steps to enter into the house. So that means this is veranda and sit out. Enter. So from here you can get in. Otherwise you can provide the steps directly here also, but that's not good. This is the way you can enter through this. So then later you can provide the railings. No. So suppose railing is 50 width means I'll give one more line here. So one more line, and that becomes the railing. So this will be veranda. Okay, that elevation now we'll come to know how it will be looking in the elevation. Okay, now this is a simple way of doing the plan, basic plan. Okay, so hope it's clear for you. So the alternative method is to, instead of going for single line, to draw with rectangles. I'll just give a hint for this, how to do this. Now see, same way only, I will take rectangular. First kitchen I will draw. See, just see. Draw the question paper as it is using rectangular. D enter, 3000 enter, 3000 enter. See, one rectangular is over. Next rectangle is this, 5 meter by 4.65. Okay, rectangular. From here, D enter, 5000 enter, 4650 enter. Done. Okay, so next is another rectangular bedroom, 3650. D enter, 3650 enter, and sorry, it is not 3650. We'll take rectangular again. From here, D enter, 3600. I think so. 3600 enter, and 3000 enter. That rectangular also there. Next, going up, I'll draw this one D enter, 2000 is the width, 2000 enter, 1700 enter, rectangular done. So next, just see, redo it. D enter, 2000 enter, 1700 enter. Okay. Now take again rectangular, all attached only. Okay. So D enter, 2000 enter, 1200 enter. Okay. And whatever is left, take the rectangular from here to here. That is the, now it is and here one veranda is there. Same, use rectangles only, no single lines. Okay, see now it is same question paper, it is in single line drawing, but it is all in rectangles. Okay, now just observe this. You should follow this only. This will save your time. Now you know that each line represents some thickness. So what is the thickness? That is the thickness of the wall. So what you have to do? Now first, I'll come from this side, select the rectangle and move the rectangle so that you move to one side, this side, give 300. That means now here wall thickness is created. Okay, wall thickness is created. This rectangular, I'll move again this side 300 because wall thickness is 300. So here is created, but this wall still there is no wall thickness given. So I'll move this downwards 300. Done. Okay. See here, done. Now this I'll select these two rectangles, move because I want to give wall thickness. That wall thickness is 300 given. Okay, and see here, you know, we have this wall thickness is 100. No, so we have to move this 100 only. Move this side 100. Okay, now all in one line. That's all perfect. This is 100. Here again, there's no wall thickness given. I have to move this side. That means I will move all together. Move here 300. Okay, so done. But there is some problem here. 3,500 is the dimension given here. Problem 3,500. How much is this? Why is it not matching? 3,600 is there. Okay, 3,600 doesn't matter. Okay, here what has happened was I'll go back. No. See, this line, we should keep this line as common. Okay, this line as common. So now already that wall thickness is given here. Wall thickness is given here. Okay, let us remove this. See, wall thickness is given here. So here, as we have said, move this 100. Okay, now that is set. Okay, 100, that is set. Check this line. Fine. Okay, so this we should move this downwards. Move 300. Okay, fine. 300 is perfect. Okay, see, now automatically this room will be set. Now this is fine. This is fine. Okay, and here this is veranda only. You don't worry about veranda. Just give 300 now. Move this 300. Okay, fine. Now see, all rooms are done. This is veranda only. Later you will break this. Now you give offset. To give offset, what you have to do? You have to explode. Select, explode, give one offset. Okay, offset distance is wall thickness 300 outside. Thickness, we are giving thickness, outer wall thickness. Okay, this you don't give, that I am going to delete now. Here, here. So now you fillet it, enter this. Here, 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 okay, here, okay. See, now it's done. Now see this inner dining room, the wall thickness is not shown, so you have to give it inside. From here to offset, from here offset, from here offset, from here offset. Okay, now I will fillet it, fillet Okay, see, now the drawing is done. Okay, then what you do? O enter, plinth line 100. Here 100, here 100. Now F enter. See, now the drawing is done. This is easy way of doing the plan. Okay, one is by lines and offset method. This is by rectangles. Rectangle method is very easy. What you have to do, you have to just copy the problem using rectangles. Then just look at the problem, see the wall which are continuous, then move the rectangle so that you get the wall thickness. Okay, so that is the beginning only. So should do in rectangular method only. If you not able to follow rectangular method, go for the lines, but it will take lot of time. But rectangular method very easy in the examination and you can do it very fast. Okay, thanks.